Here I have Hyundai i30 and let me show you how to enable and how to use the quiet mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's swipe to the left and here you should find the quiet mode. Let's just tap it. So this feature is designed for families or road trips when passengers in the back are trying to rest or sleep. When you tap the quiet mode button on the screen, the system completely mutes the rear passenger speakers. Music or radio will play only through the front seats. The front speaker volume is automatically capped at low. Factory preset quiet level, usually volume level 7 or 25 depending on the system firmware, so it doesn't wake anyone up in the back. I think it's quite useful, especially in a long trips. You can just enable the quiet mode by tapping a few things, by using a few steps. So let me do it. Let's tap quiet mode and that's it. You just enable the quiet mode. To disable it, let's just do it again. You should notice that if you enable the quiet mode, this icon pops up with the moon. Let's tap it again and this moon disappears. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.